Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix an SSL pending error on Shopify. Even if SSL is enabled, this does not guarantee that your server and content meet the encryption standard. This is why you may still see SSL pending in your Shopify store. In other words, to make sure your store meets the encryption standard and is truly secure, you must have it verified by Shopify. Once this verification has been completed, SSL pending will no longer appear in your store and customers can feel confident knowing their information is securely protected. Here are some ways you can fix the SSL pending status. First, check your A records. If you see SSL pending instead of SSL unavailable, it may imply that all of your DNS settings are correct except for your A records. To set up the A records correctly, enter 23.227.38.65 as the address. If you need help setting up the records, just contact your domain host. It is essential to check that your domain name for your Shopify store is referenced with a CNAME record and not an IP address. It means that you will need to update the CNAME record so that it points toward My Shopify. Therefore, you can ensure that all DNS information associated with your domain name is properly transferred to the correct location. Once you have made this change, your domain can be used for your Shopify store. It is important to remember that propagation of any changes made to your domains can take up to 48 hours. Before seeking assistance from a third-party host, Shopify customer service, or IT company for help with securing your store, you should wait at least 2 days. This 2-day period allows time for the modifications to be multiplied throughout your store, increasing the chances of successful resolution. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.